Okay guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the edge control sent to me by ARHGOAT. What comes in the kit is a normal size edge control, a travel sized edge control, and a edge brush. Honestly, it didn't really smell like anything, but kind of like cologne. Alright, so the first step is to put the edge control on your edges and brush them out. And then you're gonna start forming your swoop or the shape that you want it to be. Mold it until you like how it looks. Honestly guys, this edge control is actually pretty valid. The hold is there and the shine is also very much there. So next we're moving on to the next side. This one was a little bit more of a struggle because that side, I feel like everyone just has that one side of edges that just doesn't cooperate. And that side is the edges that don't cooperate. Lastly, I'm gonna be doing my little middle edge. So I'm gonna be pulling out hair from there and slicking that, molding it into an edge, and then just fix whatever you want to fix. You should be good. Honestly, his edge control is really good and the hold and stay is there, so go buy it, yeah.